See what I can do for you. Okay, here you go. Ah! My spleen! Your spleen? Now get ready to stomp you in your biscuit.
No.
Oh, you heard that. And you can talk too. Well, it must be some sort of miracle. Hallelujah. Listen, being as though I cured you, you won't mind if I have this money. Because see, it would have cost you way more than this to go to a doctor. So why don't you get your stinky smelling self from in front of my office?
Kev.
What's up, Benny?
You good?
Found some copper.
That's Hey, Kev, check this out. The radio showed me the money.
Man, did you just find those teeth in the trash?
Yep. I wiped them off first
Wipe them off with what?
with my hand.
Wasn't your hand just in the trash?
You got any gum?
Gum, cuz you need to like rinse your mouth with some hot bleach or something.
What?
Man, what? What? Nothing. You nasty. You stink. I can smell you coming from like a mile away. Cuz when was the last time you took a bath?
I took a bath yesterday.
Took a bath yesterday. You used soap and water?
I used baby wipes, and I use more than one.
Baby wipes is for babies, man. You a grown ass man. Nasty. Yo, what's your problem?
You blocking the dumpster.
Man, you don't know how to say excuse me?
No, not to you. I'm sick of y'all always back here digging in the damn trash.
We ain't bothering you.
Y'all need to get a job.
Man, I got a job. I recycle.
No, a real job.
This is a real job. Look, I'm not stealing from nobody. I'm not begging. I provide a service. I help the environment.
Man, she act like we begging her for money.
You know what I mean? I'm tired of people looking down on me like I'm some type of villain or something, cuz I ain't for all that.
Man, she a trip. But let me borrow like $3. Bro, $3.
You can earn $3. I rent you some space in my car. Go check that dumpster down the hill. Go ahead. Man, go check that dumpster.
Ain't even $3 in the cart.
Yo, Benny! Check this out, cuz.
So young.
Check it out, yo. What's wrong with you, cuz?
Man, I think I'm having a stroke. Everything keep on blacking out. Stuff is turning dark on me, man.
All right, no. Look. That's not you. It's this. Watch.
Oh! Let me see. Got the knob. Do that again. Do that again. Oh! Oh!
Right?
Yeah, we might have something, man.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yo, watch this. Fade me out. Watch this. Fade me out. Look. Ooh, I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost. Ooh.
Nah, man, you stink, cuz. You stink. That's what you are.
That was foul. All right, so how can that little box turn out the sun?
It's not turning out the sun, man. It's doing something with eyesight. It's like turning off people's eyesight. Maybe it got some radiation or something in there. I don't know. It's working though.
No,
Haha.
don't do that.
I don't know. It's not turning out the sun though, brother. That's what you get.
Yeah, now you see it.
What's up, man? Damn, man, you stink. What you doing?
I'm going to get my respect.
Going to get your respect?
Yeah.
What's up, man? What's going on?
Man, coming out my car this morning to go to work, standing in front of my office building, it's this bum. Sign that say deaf, mute, homeless.
Are you serious?
Please help.
Wow. How'd it get your attention?
I got his attention. Gut check. Pow!
Oh, right in the gut?
Yeah, then we talk about something. You smell? Ah! Jesus! Ah! God! Ah! I don't know!
What's wrong? What happened?
Check it!
What? What's wrong? Oh! Yes, hold on. Keep pressure on it. Stay right there. Right there. You're located.
You ain't had to hit the ball that hard, cuz.
Man, he told me I stink.
You do stink. Man, you don't smell all that? All of that is you. That's all you, man. You don't smell yourself?
Man, forget about
Man, anyway, what you trying to do with this John now?
it. I say we rob a bank.
We ain't robbing no bank. It's just turning people's eyesight off. It ain't turning the cameras off.
You're right. All right, well, let's steal a pizza.
I ain't stealing no pizza. Why you always trying to steal something? Being dishonest. Why don't you earn it? Be a man or something, man.
You always trying to down my ideas, man. Forget all that. Let me see this for a second, man. This is great, man. This is great.
killing.
I got some pizza. I got some pizza. I got some pizza. I got some pizza.
Somewhere so I could.
What kind of pizza we get, punk?
Hey man, I got a large pizza so you could get some.
I can't see you, but I can smell you. Ah! Damn, man.
Guess we can't play lights out anymore, huh?
No, we still can.
Excuse me, Mr. Bougie. I guess you didn't see me when you cut in front of me in the line. Maybe if I was wearing a suit and tie, you would have seen me just fine. But I'm thinking my appearance is causing you to be a little blind. I see you standing over there with your nose in the air because I don't look a certain part, and my smell kind of caught you off guard. But it doesn't mean I don't work twice as hard. Maybe a silver spoon makes you think you're better. Or maybe you even worked hard to get to where you needed to be. It just seems like you forgot where you came from because you think you're better than me. It's not funny when people stop and stare at what they don't understand. We all have similar goals. Sometimes you reach them, sometimes you don't. I may not be where I want to be, but one day I'll be there. So please, oh please, Mr. Bougie, take your nose out of the air.
Stepping stones, these are stepping stones, these are stepping stones, catch the metronome, these are stepping stones, these are stepping stones, Erica rock, rumbling friends, these are stepping stones, these are stepping stones, catch the metronome, these are stepping stones, these are stepping stones, these are stepping stones,
listen, I'm not your average band, not your average bull. You manufacturing fakeness while I be managing raw. Orchestrations the sound that I had you sagging your jaws. It's the H, the E, the I, the capital R.
What's up, everybody? I'm Shannon, and these are my random thoughts. Back in 1995, I did a documentary called I Have a Name. And this is a piece about a man that shines shoes for a living, guys that squeegee windows at traffic lights, and a man who dug in the trash and found metal cans and recycled them. The piece was pretty much a day in the life where I would follow around these different guys, and without any of them ever knowing each other, they all said pretty much the same things. Basically that people treated them like dirt, people talked bad about them, people spit at them, and they will all say the same thing, saying that I'm not bothering anyone.
Like, why you analyzing me? I'm not the villain.
I'm tired of people looking down on me like I'm some type of villain or something, cuz I ain't.
So once I came up with the idea of this magic light switch, I thought the best hands that this light switch should be in would be in a group of people who are seen, or rather not be seen by society. People often ask me, do I write scripts or do you guys just ad-lib and make it up as you go along? Like, Yes, I actually write scripts. There's actually printed words to paper. They're actual real scripts that we follow.
Get radio, show me the money.
But during the shoot, in my writing and in my directing, I do like to leave leeway and space for the actors to create.
Baby wipes?
Yeah, baby wipes.
Baby wipes is for babies, cuz you a grown ass man.
Well, if you got 10 babies, then you can make me.
Sometimes I will let the actors riff. If they have something funnier than what's actually written on the page, then I'll let them go for it, let them try stuff. As we're shooting, sometimes I come up with other stuff like, you know what, this will be funny, let's try this.
What you want to do with this joint?
All right, let's do this, will be funny. He said, he told me I stink, so you do stink.
And he told me I stink.
You do stink.
And as I always say, I have the best actors in the world working on the show. They're always very creative and innovative and always have something good to bring to the table. Thank you for watching Heavy Sedation. If you have any questions or comments about this show or any other show, you can go to the website outthehouse.com or you can email me, Shannon Newby, at outthehouse.com. I answer all my emails from everywhere, all over the country, so if you send me an email, I will answer you. So don't be shy. So talk to you soon. Peace.